Washington sophomore Jackie Hughes has quite the schedule. She swims for an hour and a half before school, goes to class, then cross-country practice, and caps that off with 2 more hours of swimming, homework, in bed. Then she gets up and does it all over again the next day. But all that hard work is paying off. Jackie finished second in the 500 freestyle at the state swim meet, and she scored all 20 of her team's points at state. You swim the 500 free. That's what you got second in, right?
Yep.
How many lengths to the pool is that?
That's 20.
20? Wow. How do you do that? I mean, that's a race at that length.
Yeah, I mean, you just have to, like, build up your endurance and keep working hard, and you'll get there.
You run cross-country, too. Does that help you build up the endurance for that long swim?
Yeah, because running is like 15 minutes, and so you only have to swim for 5, which makes it easier.
Only 5?
Only 5.
What's harder, running for 15 minutes or swimming for 5?
Probably swimming for 5, just because it's like a full body thing and not just your legs.
All right, we're going to have a race and see how fast you are, all right? You're going to have to give me a 2-second head start because I'm old and fat.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
The loser has to do a belly flop. You good at belly flops? They hurt like crazy.
Yeah.
I think Jackie gave me too big of a head start. I had a huge lead. No way she's going to catch me, but she closed fast. Oh, no. It was a photo finish. Another look. It's hard to tell who won. Well, who won?
She won by 200 to the second.
Oh, come on. Every time that happens to me. Oh, I hate belly flops. Look out. Doing belly flops is like diving on cement. Very painful. I'm getting too old for this. Scott Sable, TV9 Sports.